Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably looking to master dates and calculations in Smartsheet, which is a fantastic tool for organizing everything from projects to personal plans. One common task is figuring out the number of days between two dates, maybe for tracking project durations or monitoring deadlines. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do this using Smartsheet's Netdays and Networkdays formulas. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your sheet to calculate these timeframes automatically, saving you a bunch of manual work. Alright, let's get started. Go ahead and open up your Smartsheet. If you don't already have one, just create a simple sheet with two columns for your start and end dates. Think of it as your little mini calendar right there in your workflow. Now let's jump right into our first method using the Netdays formula. Netdays is a great way to find out the total number of days between two dates, and it includes all the days in between, weekends, weekdays, everything. This is really useful when you just need a raw total, like the number of days between a product launch and its completion date. To start, click into the cell where you want your answer to appear, maybe next to your dates so it's easy to see. Now type the equals sign, then net. As you start typing, Smartsheet's formula helper will suggest possible functions and you'll see Netdays pop up. Go ahead and select that Netdays function, usually by using the arrow keys and hitting tab. It's a small step, but it saves time and helps avoid spelling errors. You'll notice Netdays wants two things, the start date and the end date. Click on the cell with your first day or type in its reference, then add a comma. After that, click on your last day cell. So for example, if your project start is in cell A2 and your end date is in B2, your formula will look something like equals netdays, start date 2, end date 2. Press Tab or Enter and you'll immediately see the number calculated, super straightforward. Now here, where you might want a little extra precision. Netdays counts every day, weekends included, but sometimes you only want to count workdays. Maybe you're planning out tasks and you know the team, not working Saturdays or Sundays. This is where Networkdays comes in handy. Let's try that one out. Again, click into a cell where you want the workdays calculated. Type equals, then start typing net just like before. This time, select Networkdays from the dropdown and hit Tab. Networkdays is almost the same as Netdays in terms of setup. Click your first day, add a comma, then click your last day. If you want, you can even specify holidays in a third argument, but let's keep it simple for now. Press Tab and boom, you'll get the number of business days between your dates. This number excludes weekends automatically, so it's perfect for workplace schedules or sprint planning, and that's it. By using Netdays and Networkdays, you can instantly figure out the exact timeline for any two dates in Smartsheet, whether you need all days or just business days. Don't worry if you made a typo or if the number doesn't look right away. You can always double-check your cell references and try again. Seriously, once you get the hang of these formulas, you'll save so much effort tracking deadlines and understanding your project's pace. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any snags. I always try to jump in and help out. And if you want more practical Smartsheet tips, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching and good luck optimizing your Smartsheet workflows.